Good afternoon and a warm welcome to one and all present here. We have gathered here on this virtual platform today for the annual Special Awards ceremony.
Before we move on to the awards ceremony, we would have the concentration music.
तत्सवितुर्वरं रूपं ज्योतिः परस्य धीमहि यन्नः सत्येन दीपयेत् तत्सवितुर्वरं रूपं ज्योतिः परस्य धीमहि यन्नः सत्येन दीपयेत् तत्सवितुर्वरं रूपं ज्योतिः परस्य धीमहि यन्नः सत्येन दीपयेत् ॐ चैतन्यमयी सत्यमयी परमे चैतन्यमयी सत्यमयी परमे Open my mind, my heart, my life to your light, your love, your power in all things. May I see the divine. Open my mind, my heart, my life to your light, your love, your power in all things. May I see the divine. Shri Aurobindo Sharanam Mama, Shri Aurobindo Sharanam Mama, Shri Aurobindo Sharanam Mama.
The special awards ceremony was initiated in the late 90s by Srimati Joya Mitter, the founder principal of the Future Foundation School. The first awards were instituted by eminent persons, including inmates of Sri Aurobindo Ashram, Pondicherry, for the following categories: Krishna Bandhu Das Memorial Award, Shushila Bala Das Memorial Award, Bina Pani Memorial Award, Pradut Kumar Bhattacharya Award, Duman Bhai Memorial Award, Karuna Kakkar Memorial Award. With time, more offers started coming in from donors, and presently the awards are given to students in 19 categories.
Bandana Sen Memorial Award. This award has been instituted by Dr. Shankar Kumar Sen in memory of his wife. It is awarded to 2 girl students, one from the outgoing ICSE and the other from the outgoing ISC batch. It is awarded to 2 girls who were not only good in academics but also excelled in co-scholastic activities and whose conduct was good. They should have been a student of the school for a minimum of 3 consecutive years. This year, the awards go to Obhipsha Ghosh of ICSE 2020 batch and Obhipsha Bokshi of ISC 2020 batch. Krishnabandhu Das Memorial Award. These 2 awards have been instituted by Mr. Shomin Das in memory of his father. It is given to a student who gets the highest in maths and science among boys in ICSE and to a student who gets the highest in maths, physics and chemistry combined amongst boys in ISC.
The awards go to Boidurjo Bose of ICSE 2020 batch. Congratulations to the both of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
The next award Anurag Moitro and Shirsho Das Roy of ISC 2020 batch.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Congratulations. We move on to the next category, Shomnath sir. Shushila Baladas Memorial Award is given to a student for getting the highest in maths and science amongst girls in ICSC and the highest in maths, physics, and chemistry combined amongst girls in the ISC examination. These two awards have been instituted by Sri Shomin Das in memory of mother. And the award goes to Arshia Paul of
Thank you.
20 batch. And at the IST level,
Thank you.
the award winners. Congratulations to Shani and Sramona.
Thank you.
The next slide, please. Pradut Kumar Bhattacharya Memorial Award. This award had been instituted by Sri Rothin Mitter in memory of our founder chairman, Sri Pradut Kumar Bhattacharya, the best all-round student of ICSE. And the award goes to Shakko Modi. This is indeed a very prestigious award. Congratulations, Shakko. Bina Pani Memorial Award. This award has been instituted by Srimati Bithika Guho, topping ISC. And this year the award goes to for topping the ISC examination. Congratulations, Shreya.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Shomnath sir, I think we have, yes. Dumon Bhai Memorial Award. This award has been instituted by Professor Chaman Lal Gupta and Srimati Shipra Gupta of Sri Aurobindo Ashram, Pondicherry, for a student of outgoing class 12 for integral excellence. And the award goes to Onnisha Chatterjee. Yes, she has passed out her ISC this year. Congratulations, Onnisha.
Thank you so much.
We move on to Amitabh Roy Memorial Award. These two awards have been instituted by Mrs. Shushmita Sengupta in memory of her late brother. The award goes to Shreya Das, the topper of the humanities section, and Ritik Chaudhary for topping the ISC commerce section. Congratulations to the two of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
The next slide, please. Karuna Kakkar Award. This award, instituted by Mrs. Karuna Kakkar as an encouragement to students who deserve a pat on the back for sustained endeavor to reach his or her goals, come what may. At the ICSE level, Soham Ray gets the award, and at
Thank
the
you, ma'am.
Adbrita Pal is the winner of this award. Congratulations.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much, ma'am. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you and welcome. Sharoda Prasad Mukherjee Memorial Award. This award has been instituted by Mrs. Rita Mukherjee in memory of her father-in-law for a student of ICSE who has an avid interest in a wide variety of subjects. And the award goes to
Thank you so much.
who is a budding polymath. Congratulations, Sharanya. Keep it up. B.P. Chatterjee Memorial Award. This award has been instituted by Mrs. Madhuchanda Banerjee and Mr. Shubhobroto Choudhury in memory of our founder rector to students of ICSE for excelling in social sciences. And just look at the numbers. We have 15 বৈদুর্য বোস, সাক্ষ্য মজুমদার, সৌম্যদীপ বাসু, অভিষিক্তা সিনহা, অর্ঘ্যদীপ রয়চৌধুরী, অনুপ্রভ ভাদুরী, স্পন্দন দত্ত, নিরাভ্র নাগ, আরশিয়া পল, আগমনী চক্রবর্তী, and there are more. Yes, can we move on to the next slide, Somnath sir? Olipriya Chakraborty, Rishabh Acharya, and Shubhajit Bhaumik. It speaks volumes about our teachers guiding you to excel in social sciences. And congratulations to, I think, Shubhobroto sir and Madhuchanda ma'am too, for inspiring the students so well that 15 of them have been awarded this year. Congratulations to each one of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We move on to the Ira Ganguly Memorial Award. This award has been instituted by Mrs. Krishnakoli Mukherjee in memory of her late mother for a student of outgoing ISC who has secured the highest in mathematics. And the winner is Shromona Chakraborty. Congratulations, Shromona. Next is Pranab Kumar Bhattacharya Memorial Award. This award has been instituted by Mr. Satya Prakash Mishra in memory of the Director of the Department of Physical Education at Sri Aurobindo Ashram, Pondicherry, for a student excelling in physical education. And the award congratulations, Rupas.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Next, we move on to the Shobha Dotto Memorial Award. This award has been instituted by Shri Narish Chandra Dotto in memory of his wife for a student of the outgoing ISC batch who has excelled in computer programming and hardware functions. And the winner of this award is congratulations once again. We move on to Arnab Ganguly Memorial Award. This award has been instituted by Professor and Mrs. Ganguly in memory of their only son who passed away in 2011 just after he finished his ISC examination, and the results were yet to be declared. As per their wishes, the award is given to a student of class 11 science who possesses the finest moral character. And the award goes to Spondan Dutta of class 11 science. We are proud of you, Spandan.
Thank you.
Jolly Ghosh and Prashanto Kumar Ghosh Memorial Award. This award has been instituted by Mr. Abhishek Ghosh in memory of his parents. And the award for excellence in biological sciences. Congratulations, Koshani.
Yeah.
Next, we have the Uditendu Prakash Memorial Award. This award had been instituted by Mrs. Pompa Das in memory of her grandfather for students of ISC who have secured the highest in art. This year, Arts. Hello. Okay. Aratrika and Devangi, congratulations.
Thank you.
This is just to keep you informed that if the time runs out, do join the meeting once again. Narayan Channal Memorial Award. This award has been instituted by Mrs. Shormila Ghosh in memory of her uncle, the Bengali writer Sri Narayan Channal. It is awarded to students from the outgoing ICSE batch who had excelled in cultural activities. The students should have been from the Future Foundation School for a minimum of 3 consecutive years. This year, Naman Madhur,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
and Ritobroto Chakraborty. Congratulations to each one of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're most welcome.
Bishwanath Chakraborty Memorial Award. This award has been instituted by Srimati Shumita Chakraborty in memory of her father, Sri Bishwanath Chakraborty, for students who have secured the highest marks in history in ISC examination. This year, the award goes to Mehal Roy, Mitra Bhattacharya, and Shreya Das. We move on to the next award, Anjali Chakraborty Memorial Award. This award has been instituted by Srimati Shumita Chakraborty in memory of her mother, Srimati Anjali Chakraborty, for students who have secured the highest marks in Bengali in the ICSE examination.
And the award goes to Sharanya Bhattacharya and Alok Tika Roy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So now we have our principal sir who will give us the vote of thanks.
The special award ceremony of the Future Foundation School evokes, in the first instance, a lot of nostalgia. It is one of the first events, key events, that came into being after the birth of the school, very soon thereafter at least. The school got affiliated in the very early 90s, and thereafter These awards were instituted by people who are very close and well-wishers of this institution. When I say people who are very close and well-wishers, who are they? And I'd like to introduce some of them to you. They are essentially our teachers and their families, and in some instances, our parents. This is one institution where parents, teachers, students, and the so-called school management are together on the same boat, literally. And the special award ceremony epitomizes exactly that. As you have observed, quite a few of the awards have been instituted by past and current teachers. Some awards have been instituted by our parents. Some have, unfortunately, been instituted in memory of a student who passed away after finishing school. And this is also another instance. This is one award or one ceremony where Sri Aurobindo Ashram also takes part. Inmates of the Sri Aurobindo Ashram, Chamanlal and Shipra Gupta, have instituted an award for integral excellence. Integral is a word closely associated with Sri Aurobindo. We have heard of integral yoga and integral education. Here, the duo have created an award for integral excellence, and it's in the name of our second chairman, Dyuman Bhai, former managing trustee of Sri Aurobindo Ashram, Pondicherry. There is another award in the name of our founder, Sri P.K. Bhattacharya, also a trustee of the Sri Aurobindo Ashram. So as I said, this particular ceremony brings together the ashram, Sri Aurobindo Institute of Culture, the Future Foundation School, and all its past and current stakeholders. In itself, it recognizes and lauds the efforts of students, but it is not only academic merit that it recognizes, it also recognizes holistic growth, and it recognizes an all-round development of the human personality. In doing so, it encourages all other students who haven't got the award and suggests to them that this school indeed has left behind in their minds and in their souls an indelible imprint. An imprint of reassurance, an imprint of care and solicitude, an imprint that will be there with this generation of students, have been there with those before, and in a time which is extremely troubled in the world, this imprint will perhaps be of lasting and enduring value. I believe and pray that our students, those who've passed from the portals of this institution, will be beacon lights for future generations of Indians and world citizens. In upholding their faith in a brighter and nobler future for the world, they will hark back on the essential values that have been instilled in them by the school, values created, nurtured, and lived by the Mother and Sri Aurobindo, values that are lived even without speaking in the day-to-day lives of people who have loved, who have embraced, created, and nurtured this institution. Long life, bravo, and God bless. Thank you very much.
So Shomnath sir, do we come to the end of this meeting? Or shall we request some of the donors to say something if they are willing to do so? We have quite a few donors amongst us. So I would request some of you to share your thoughts, your feelings, your association with this institute and enlighten us further. Anybody, please volunteer because we are not going to call you out by your names. Abhishek, would you
Yes.
mind saying a few words?
Yes, I would like to share some thoughts. I'm feeling very deeply emotional at this state. My state of mind is actually, it's a very good time to to start the day with this kind of a ceremony, which is also my school, being an ex-student. And this is a very different platform where I have been technically given a different pedestal, but what it still means to me is at the first place is I'm still the student of the school, and I remember that before I do any activity throughout. And I would like to extend my warmest regards to all my teachers, because I have, because of the limitation of the time, I probably couldn't interact with all of you, but I have seen most of the names here. Anjana ma'am, Shormila ma'am, I've seen probably Gargi ma'am, both the Devjani ma'ams, physics and chemistry. Through the chat list, I have recognized some of the names. All of you are very much within me in terms of your teaching that I have got. And congratulations to all the students who have backed the prizes, and keep up the good work. And as we just heard from sir, that holistic development is the ultimate thing that we can have, especially at this time of the world that we are going through, to survive and not to feel demoralized. And I would once again say that whoever the students are who will be competing in the coming years, they should also keep up the good work and not feel demoralized if they are not qualified for an award, because this is just the beginning, not the end. And I would like to thank again all the members of the Future Foundation School and the Sri Aurobindo Institute of Culture to invite us, and I'm very thankful about it. I promised my wife that this year or next year I'll take her to the Future Foundation School physically. It didn't happen though, but I kept my promise by taking her to the school virtually. So with that, I would like to end my speech. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Abhishek. Yes, now we'll end the meeting here, yes, on a very sweet note from one of our very sweet ex-students. And take care, and let us all put each other in our prayers. Yes, thank you so much, and we are going to end the meeting here.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, and congratulations to everyone.
Parents and
Thank you so much, all the teachers and the students. Congratulations and best of luck.
And do keep coming back to us, children.
Congratulations and keep it up.
When this pandemic is over, please don't forget us. Keep coming back, because this is our home.
School.
Your second home.
Don't forget us. All the ISC students, especially to you.